Found a dash file from streaming video and need to play it back? This is an MPEG-DASH Adaptive Streaming segment used by major video platforms. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to handle these MPEG-DASH media segment files. For those who want the most versatile tool, it's coming, and it features my favorite single DASH file inspection utility that is compatible with hundreds of formats. DASH files are media segment files used by MPEG-DASH, Dynamic Adaptive Streaming over HTTP, a widely adopted streaming standard. They contain short segments of video or audio content, typically a few seconds each, enabling adaptive bitrate streaming, where players select segments based on network conditions and device capabilities. DASH media segment files use ISO-base media file format, the same family as MP4, storing fragmented media data with movie fragment moof and media data mdat boxes. Each segment includes timing information enabling players to assemble continuous playback while adapting quality based on network bandwidth. Videoland defined VLC Media Player as the main handler for DASH files. The file's embedded tracks and streams require a specialized reader for full playback. Windows handles playback, while video stabilization or advanced operations must be done elsewhere. The easiest way to identify the error source is testing. Right-click the DASH file and hit Open With. Use VLC Media Player if installed. If it's not present, choose another program. We must find the correct software handler. If your DASH file will not open yet, do not panic. To truly fix this, let's review the why, the top technical reasons this specific DASH error occurs on your system. First, playing in VLC Media Player. Open VLC Media Player and use Media then Open File to play individual dash segments. While VLC handles individual segments, full dash playback typically requires the manifest MPD file referencing all segments. VLC can also play dash streams using Media then Open Network Stream with the manifest URL. Next, using FFmpeg. Use FFmpeg to process or concatenate dash segments. The command FFmpeg, I input, dash, C copy output, MP4 converts a dash segment to standard MP4 format. For complete dash stream processing, combine the manifest and all segments using FFmpeg's complex command line options. Finally, browser-based playback. Use web browsers with native dash support such as Chrome or Firefox by accessing the original dash stream URL or manifest. Players like Dash.js Shaka Player and Bitmovin Player provide browser-based dash playback. Direct file playback without the manifest is limited to the segment's brief content. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.